Hey friends, it's 5 in the morning, I think 5:30, and we're going out to the ranch while it's cool. Gonna go up to a kind of a cool place on the ranch, and my brother here, Hofen Family, is his channel on YouTube, and my brother's here from Oregon and his family, and so we're gonna go out to where we have some grassland and unload some ATVs and go up and have breakfast while it's cool, and then get out of there, so before it gets too hot for the day. So anyway, we just wanted to clue you in on what we're doing, and we'll be back.
Look at the red dirt behind us.
And look at the red in our eyes because it's so early in the
Yes,
morning.
we got up at 5. Some people got up a little later than 5.
Or a lot later than 5.
Good morning! Good morning!
Oh my god. It is so early.
Okay, so here we go. Everybody's loading up. We had to put a battery in Polaris, and a wrong battery and a right battery, and anyway, here we go. Everybody ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, we're all settled in, and we are off.
Ready to go.
We made it to the top, and we're at the highest point in
Woods County.
Woods County. Here you go. There's the view. There's the fam. Bum, bum, bum. Here's Brad and Rachita joining us from India via technology.
Oh, here we're gonna get a picture of you two. Look at
Woohoo!
the. Yeah.
It's their anniversary! Woo! Okay, YouTube, this next segment is called A Segment with Lynn.
Oh, not so close up.
What would you like to talk to us about?
Well, I have an issue, so I think this is the perfect time to talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
5 a.m. is way too early to be awake.
But wait a second, do you have makeup on?
I think I do. Does it not look like
Did you
it?
know we were vlogging today or what?
I had a hint. Someone warned me. So
Nice,
please put makeup on today. So
We'll have another episode of Time with Lynn again. This is Dad flying his drone for the first time, I think.
Dad's fine. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we stopped on the side of the road because we're going on a little adventure.
Oh yeah.
To a very historic house where I know a old Indian boat came from this guy who lived in this house, and my grandparents used to know him, and he died a long time ago, but this is actually where he lived. Are you ready for this? Boom, look at this. This is incredible. How do you like this for a house?
Window.
Can you imagine living here?
No.
Things that you find in western Oklahoma. All right, and that was the adventure for the day, and we are ending this right here in the greenhouse at the Oklahoma Family Farmstead. YouTube channel because not only is it a YouTube channel, but this is my brother,
Hey y'all,
who's only 11 months older than me,
but much wiser.
but much prettier. So,
And okay, family Farmstead folks, this is my brother Brent from
Oregon,
and he has his own channel,
Hofen Family.
Hofen Family channel.
Yeah. So check it out, subscribe. We did some drone footage today. That drone is located in this town, so hopefully you'll see some drone footage.
Might be some more drone footage on our channel. That was
in the
really
future.
cool. Yep.
So we love you guys. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next vlog.
Bye everybody.